So, welcome back to the channel. It's about 9 AM right now, and we have a flight to catch in about an hour and a half. Where are we going?
We are going to New York. Yeah, so Alienware invited us out to New York for the week to come to their event. I don't believe that they're going to CES this year, so this is their event that they're having. So they're going to showcase all their new products for the year, and we get to see them first, and it's going to be a lot of fun.
But yeah, we have a flight to catch, so we best get going.
Alright guys, so we're here for Alienware's press conference for all their latest products coming out this year, and we're going to take you with us upstairs so you can see all the filming areas. We're going to take you behind the scenes and show you everything that they have to offer this year.
Yeah, this place is super cool. I think it's actually used as like where people can come to work during the day, but super nice place. We're going to be up on the 11th floor, I think.
I believe so.
So elevator is down here, so let's head on up. Alright, so we're here on floor 12. This is the Dell space. I've got to keep my voice down a little bit because there's some recording going on over there, but check this thing out, guys. It's made out of like old PCBs in the shape of a tree, because Dell's trying to go like more eco nowadays. So that's super cool. There's also this forest over here. Look how cool this is. It's like a real forest, but with TVs. This is my kind of forest.
So we're gonna head downstairs for our interview with the new X14 laptop, and we're gonna take you with us and show you the behind the scenes of what it looks like. And then we'll also put in some clips showing us talking in the interview so you can get some more information about the laptop.
Time for another coffee break.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go and check out all the Alienware products that they're going to be showing at the event.
So let's head into the Alienware space. This place looks awesome.
This looks epic. Take a look at this, guys. So freaking
Should we give them a little bit of a tour?
Yeah, let's go ahead.
So yeah, along here we've basically got all the laptops, all the new laptops, and they're torn down so you can see how the inside looks. This is like the new vapor chamber on the new laptops. We've got the X series down here as well with the newly designed hinge system, which is pretty cool. And then over here we've got all of the X series laptops. So let me show you guys these because they're absolutely sick. This is the new X14, and look how thin that thing is. I believe this can be spec'd with up to a 3060, so you're going to be able to game on this, do productivity, all that good stuff. And then we have the X15, and finally the X17, which you quite like the 17.
I love the 17, but I really like the slimness of the X15. So one of the big features that I am really excited for is Alienware has come out with a new headset, and this one is wireless. I have been waiting for a new wireless headset for quite some time, but not only is it wireless, but you also have the ability to have a mic that you can attach and reattach and use it whenever you want.
Yeah, and they're also using the new tri-mode tech in this thing, so you can either use it with the 2.4 gigahertz dongle that's included, you can use it Bluetooth, or you can use it wired as well. So lots of options.
Yeah, and it feels really good. And I also believe they said that it's really good at noise cancellation.
Oh yeah, it has active noise cancellation as well,
Yeah.
so yeah, we've got to try that out. Oh, and do you want to tell them about the new mouse as well?
Yes, so they changed their mouse this year, and if you remember, the previous mouse had some, I would call it like X-wings on the side of it.
Yeah, kind of like little wings.
Yeah,
Yep.
and they went to this more sleek, modern design, and I actually quite like this compared to the other one. What do you think?
Yeah, I actually quite like it. They've also got USB-C as well, so you can charge it via USB-C now. And again, it's got the tri-mode connectivity, so you can use it with the 2.4 gigahertz dongle, and you can use it Bluetooth. So obviously the Bluetooth is going to give you better battery life.
Now, you guys gotta check this out. So this is Concept Polaris. It's an external GPU that lets notebook gamers take advantage of desktop level graphics. It's also liquid cooled, and Alienware is looking into ways to make it universally compatible with other devices. And of course, it has RGB.
Yeah, and this thing next to it again is the X14, so
Look how
crazy
thin
how thin it is.
this is.
Yeah.
And I believe it's a 144 hertz display, isn't it?
Yeah, full HD. So we said before you can spec it with up to a 3060, so it's perfect for those of you on the go and you want to do some gaming as well. And then moving over to the monitors that we have here. So these things are super impressive.
Yeah.
They are 34-inch ultrawides, but they're OLED. So it's using a quantum dot OLED display, and you've also got high refresh rates as well, and it's Quad HD.
And look how thin it is on the side compared to the previous model. They have
Yeah,
been
they've
able
changed
to
the
get
design
it.
a bit.
Yeah, it's super nice. And they also changed the lighting. So before, the light used to be on the back of the stand, and now it is on the back of the actual monitor. But check this out, guys. So this is Alienware's latest PC, and this is the Aurora R13. Now, what's different with this PC is they added a side panel, so now you can see inside your PC, and you also get that really cool Alienware AIO, which is nice because they didn't have that last time.
And they've also changed the front panel as well. So it's a little bit more flat looking than the previous design.
I actually quite like it.
Yeah.
They've added these hexagons in the front of it, and it definitely looks a lot sleeker than the previous model.
And then finally, let's check out the M series laptops.
So over here we have the Alienware M17. Now what's really cool about this model is this year they added an AMD graphics card, which is something we've never seen in Alienware's laptops
Yeah,
on the
so
17.
going full AMD this year with the AMD processor and AMD graphics card synergy. And then next to it we have the M15R7. So this is the next generation of 15-inch laptops. And this is like, I guess the main focus is with the M series is that they are super powerful.
Yeah.
So you can spec these things with crazy power. And if you're the type of person that loves to play all the latest titles, then yeah, this should have you covered. And then finally, guys, heading into the concept room, some really cool stuff in here. In particular, I want to show you guys concept NIC. So again, bear in mind, this is a concept, but the idea is with it is that it's kind of like a home server where you can stream your games to different places in the house. So for example, I could be using the controller here, which by the way, it looks super cool, doesn't it? It's like detachable. But the idea is that you can be playing a game, say on your TV here, and then we could walk over to the laptop over here after pausing it, and then just hit resume and carry on playing.
All right, guys, so we are coming to a close at the Alienware press conference, and this was really fun. We got to see a lot of stuff that we weren't expecting to. We saw a lot of cool concepts. We got to see all the new products coming out in the next couple of months, and I think that's about it.
Yeah, so again, thanks to Alienware for sending us out to New York, checking out all this cool stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. If you did, a like rating would be much appreciated. And of course, hit that subscribe button if you're new. We've got loads more content on the way. I think we're going to go and grab some food now.
Yeah, and some drinks, and maybe do a little sightseeing and hang out with everyone from the Alienware family.
Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Catch you all in the next one.
Bye.